Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to another episode of Blockbuster Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to use the image morph. Image morph is a special morph provided by Blockbuster mod, which allows to display an image. You can find it in Blockbuster's extra morph category. By default, there will be an image morph with Blockbuster's icon only. However, you can put your custom pictures as well. Open Models folder, go to Image/Skins, and drag and drop your pictures into this folder. Only PNG skins which you place directly into Image Skins folder will appear in the Quick Access tab. However, you can always pick any skin in the Image Morphs Morph editor through the Pick Skin menu. Let's explore its morph editor and configuration options. The scale field allows you to scale the image plane. If you don't have control over scale in other parts of Blockbuster, this field could be useful. Shading checkbox allows you to disable vanilla shading. It does nothing when shaders are enabled, but when you use no shaders, it might be handy. Lighting checkbox allows you to disable lighting, which will make image morph light in the dark. This could be useful for creating neon signs or something similar. Look at player checkbox allows you to make the image morph always face the player. That could be useful for some showcase videos. And finally, cropping options allow you to crop the parts of the image. Each of the fields allow you to crop image from left, right, top and bottom. You can also use these fields to repeat the image by inputting negative values. As with any morph, you can add image morphs into body parts. This could be useful for things like HD decorations, for example, badges, ribbons, etc. I hope, with the help of this tutorial, you can use image morphs to full extent now. Thanks for watching, and don't use Discord's light theme.